When men over 40 hit a wall of fatigue and lost drive, they almost always blame their biology. They assume their internal engine is failing, or that their hormonal signals have simply died out. But a powerful engine is completely useless if the delivery system is broken. If the cables are frayed and the pipes are too narrow, the energy simply dissipates. Your body operates on the exact same physics. You can have all the hormonal drive in the world, but if your delivery network is compromised, the message never lands. Vascular resistance and the estrogen break create physical blockages, forcing your otherwise healthy engine to pump through dangerously narrow, restricted pipes. Your physical decline is a maintenance error. To fix it, we have to stop treating symptoms and apply a strict systems engineering approach to repair the hardware itself. You cannot manage a system that you do not measure. Before we change anything, we have to establish a biological baseline for your internal hydraulic pressure. This technical logo illustrates our core framework. B plus E equals R. Biology plus environment equals resilience. We must plug hydraulic leaks before balancing chemistry. The exact coordinates on this compass represent the precise diagnostic audit of your internal hydraulic pressure. The first metric is the morning reinitialization, or MRI. Tracking morning tumescence gives you a direct biomonitor for your nitric oxide levels. Nitric oxide is the critical molecule that relaxes and widens your blood vessels. Next is the vascular temperature gradient. If your hands and feet are dark and cold while your core is warm, you are looking at microartery leaks in your smallest 1 to 2 millimeter blood vessel networks. Finally, the pulse velocity audit. Perform 20 air squats and measure how many seconds it takes for your heart rate to reach a resting state. A recovery under 60 seconds proves your vascular system is highly flexible. Gathering these 3 metrics over 3 days is the only reliable way to pinpoint your hydraulic leaks. We have to secure the physical pipes first, but securing your internal biology is impossible if your external environment is toxic. This is variable E. Your biological hardware is under constant siege from the outside world. Taking random supplements is a waste of money if your home is leaking estrogenic signals. These external chemicals directly compete with your body's natural processes and shut down your physical recovery. You have to audit your living space for the top endocrine killers. Throw out plastic bottles leaking BPA, ditch phthalate-heavy scented candles, and replace paraben-loaded body washes. You also have to eliminate thermal and light disruptors. Sleeping in a room above 70 degrees traps testicular heat, and staring at a blue phone screen before bed destroys the specific signaling pathway between melatonin and testosterone. Once the external threats are cleared, we optimize your hardware using the conductivity rule. Adding a pinch of sea salt to your morning water increases your cellular electrical conductivity, which speeds up the physical signals traveling from your brain to your vascular system. We follow that with the vagus nerve trigger. Splashing ice-cold water on your face for 30 seconds activates the mammalian dive reflex, an automatic physiological response that instantly drops your systemic stress and reboots your parasympathetic nervous system for optimal sexual recovery. You have to clear the chemical interference and establish this sanctuary status in your home. It is the absolute prerequisite to ensure the biological software of your new protocol can actually run on your hardware. The 2026 Nomad Protocol is a strict 72-hour system reset built entirely on technical precision and biological stewardship. This seal is the verified standard for the protocol, representing the daily commitment to maintain your body's high-performance architecture. The stylized M and central leaf signify our methodology, natural biological growth achieved through rigorous technical engineering. The blueprint is completely ready, and we are looking for 100 founding nomads. We want men who value stewardship, who are ready to stop guessing with random supplements, and who want to start building a highly functional system. The diagnostic data is in front of you. Secure your slot in the Resilience Lab and initialize your status right now. This 72-hour reinitialization is the foundation of your new lifestyle, because once you finally plug the physical leaks, your true performance naturally returns.